Hi people! Today I am going to start a live at the same time and I wanted to record my Halloween makeup. Theme of the night is Dracula or maids. I'm pretty sure you know me, I will never dress as a maid, but would I dress as Dracula? Absolutely. I'm going to show you how I'm doing my makeup. I have some Pinterest inspiration for today. I want some red, as you can see I put already like red flowers. I have a red necklace too. Let's start the makeup. Makeup is over. I hope you really enjoy this demo. I am late as always, but am I not a cute vampire? Happy Halloween! I hope you will really enjoy this day as it is really meaningful in a lot of culture. It's a good time to respect our ancestors, but also to have fun. Have a good weekend and see you next time. Bonne journée!